Hello, travel family, and welcome, welcome. Danny here with Nationwide Cruises and Vacations, and I am back again to talk travel news, travel tips, and I really love talking about travel offers. But today I've got a travel tip, or as I am calling this one, this is a travel must. Before I get started, if this is the first time that you are watching one of my travel videos here, I want to welcome you to our travel family. So welcome, welcome. And if part of our travel family already here, or you're new and you've not already done so, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click on the bell. That way you can stay up to date with all things travel because I love talking about everything travel as I've already mentioned, and just bring you as much information as I possibly can. And today I want to give you a travel must, a travel tip. And for those of you that are seasoned travelers, you're going to say, "Well, yeah, that's pretty obvious." But some of you that may not be seasoned travelers, it's like, "Oh, what a great idea!" Okay, so my travel tip, my travel must for today is this is for our cruisers. And this is for anyone that's going on a cruise. Say you're going out of Europe, you're going on a cruise out of Hawaii, you're doing a cruise out of Southern California, out of Florida, you're going out of Seattle or Vancouver to Alaska. Here is something that we say that you almost must do. You must arrive for your cruise a minimum of 1 day before your ship is scheduled to depart. Of course, I say 1 day, but I also say, go in a lot further in advance. Say if you can do 2 days or 3 days, the amount of potential stress that you're going to have on you from that first day because you go in. You say your ship leaves on a Sunday and you decide to fly out of the U.S. on a Saturday. You're going to get there on Sunday into Europe the next day, and you're setting yourself up for potential problems. And here are some of just of the few scenarios. You get to the airport and you think everything is going good. I made it to the airport on time. I made it through security. And then you get to your gate, and all of a sudden you start seeing cancellations, or flights are being delayed for mechanical, for weather, for crew, whatever reason. There are so many things that can potentially go wrong. So you're flying out on a Saturday, you're going to Europe, your ship leaves on a Sunday, and the chances of you making it when all of these crazy scenarios start going on, the chances are pretty darn low. And then you go and you try to talk to the airline employees and you tell them, hey, you know what? I've got a cruise to get to. What can we do? We've got to find a flight. We have got to get out of here. We've got to get to wherever. And here's what's going to happen to you. So just be prepared. The airline, the employees, they're going to give you something called the silent eye roll because not really their fault that you did not take into account for potential problems. So you've got to prepare yourself and get to your departure port way in advance, a day or more. So you've taken our advice and you have arrived in your departure city, wherever your ship is going out of, prior to the cruise, a day or 2 days or 3 days before. You made it. Hopefully you were on time, but if you were delayed, then now you really don't have to worry about it because you're there well in advance. You're going to be rested for your cruise from that overnight flight. If it was a flight to Europe, or even, a flight in the US. And then you wake up the next morning there and go out and explore one of the great cities. Explore Barcelona, Amsterdam, Rome, Venice, Athens, Greece, Miami, Seattle, Vancouver, Honolulu. The list just goes on and on and on. And you may say, you know what, I've been there. Don't know that I really want to do that. Well, here's what I would say to you. You may have been there, but I guarantee you, you did not see there was all there was to see and do in whatever city you are flying from. But you're there in advance. You're ready to go. You made it. So you're going to feel better when you do this. I promise you. So just take our advice on this. So I really hope that you enjoyed this travel tip, this travel must, something to maybe help you travel smarter. And before I say bon voyage today, if you have not already done so, please do me a big favor. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, click on the bell. That way you'll stay up to date with all things travel. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up there. I would really, really appreciate it. And as I always do, I will include more information and our contact information in the description below. So check that out. So now I am going to say bon voyage, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon for more travel updates.